out here in the Pacific Ocean, y'all. Look at my hair. It's a mess. Let's see. Look at the birds. I ain't gonna go down too close, child. I don't know how to swim, child. I ain't trying to fall in the water. There's a ship out there. Let me see if y'all see it. There's two of them out there, matter of fact. One. Well, there's three of them. I guess they're saying can't cross. Um, on the shore. Yes, the Marco. That is right. Pacific Highway. Hey, sister. I know, Ash. I wish we can. They got it blocked off down there. They got a fence or whatever, but I would like to put my feet in the water. I don't know what's out there in that water though. It go. It's. Oh my God. It's so big, like huge. It's for yards. A long way out there. I'm gonna go on a ship and take a ride on the ship. They go to train. I'm gonna go in there. It's a little bitty train. It's a short train. Tell the people, hey, you ready?
Yeah. Did you get a picture of the?
I did. I got a lot. On the road again. Look at the birds. I wish we had some bread.